Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that two of my video courses are available now. 10 measurement cutting system and how to make a bomber jacket. Today I'm going to show you a review of a new Chanel style dress with the semi-raglan sleeves. The semi-raglan sleeves are widely used in clothes, in blouses, coats, semi-coats. Semi-raglan sleeves can be of various shapes, including those with a sharp sleeve head. This dress has semi-raglan sleeves with the shoulder pads inserted in them. Design is the most important thing in this dress. Thanks to design, the dress looks expensive and elegant, like a real Chanel style dress. The dress is lined. I'll take the dress off a bit later and put it on the table to show you. These are my favorite 3/4 sleeves. You can make a long sleeve dress if you want. The neckline is simple. It is decorated with fringe. It is decorated with fringe as well as the center front. When we attached the fringe here, we realized that the ear was enough. Initially, in the sketch, we had pockets decorated with fringe, and bottom as well. Have a close look at the fringe. We've already showed you how to make it. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. This one was made of 2 stripes cut on the bias, then sewn together. The lower stripe of fabric was wider than the upper one. The fabric is perfect for this dress. Of course, you can choose other colors. I love this one. I really wanted to have a dress of a simple, single-colored fabric. You can choose other colors. Fuchsia. My pearl jewelry and my milky shoes fit the dress perfectly. There are snap fasteners on the center front. Buttons wouldn't look good here. As I've already said, the design is simple. No pockets, horizontal chest dart, small tucks, semi-raglan sleeves with shoulder pads. I highly recommend these Chanel style dresses. Have a look at this piece of fabric. Just imagine how beautiful the dress made of it would look like. I also have a dress made of this fabric. I haven't shown it to you yet. I'm going to do it. Do you want to see it? I'm happy that I have such amazing Chanel style dresses in my wardrobe. Have a close look at the dress once again. Next, I want to take it off and put it on the table to show you. If you make 3/4 sleeves, don't make them too wide. What is important, that they shouldn't be too tight either. They shouldn't prevent you from moving freely. The dress should be comfortable. I move a lot, and I move fast, so I don't like inconvenient garments. I hope that you like these semi-raglan sleeves. I've showed you how to make a pattern for raglan sleeves in one of the previous videos. Watch it if you haven't done it yet. Have a look at the table. Here's the dress. I want to show you the lining. Have a look at the way the sleeves were edged. The edges fold up and decorated with a fringe. As I've already said, we've already showed you how to make fringe. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. These are the semi-raglan sleeves. The shoulder pad helps to keep the shape of the shoulder. I recommend making a mock-up first. Make sure that the shape of the sleeve is perfect, and only then cut it of the main fabric. There are the snap fasteners on the center front. As I've already said, the dress is lined. The lining is made of silk. I prefer natural fabrics. The color of lining doesn't really matter. I've chosen the striped one. The neckline is also edged with facing. The facing is made not of the main fabric. It's made of different fabric, but it's also pretty strong. There's nothing special about the sleeves. Have a close look at the sleeve bottom. There is a small 1 cm fold of the main fabric here. It was done for the lining not to be seen from the right side. The bottom overcast was sewn by hands. We've cut all the extra pieces from the seams. They are soft. The overcast was stitched with the invisible stitches. They were edged accurately. We made them this way for the main fabric not to be stretched when we move. We have already showed you how to edge the angles this way. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. That's it. There is no fringe on this side, just the fasteners. I love the dress. It goes well with pearls. Chanel and pearls are actually great for each other. I think that it's a good idea to speak about Chanel style someday. What do you think? Today I showed you how the dress fits me. I also showed you it in detail. I hope that it will inspire you to make your own Chanel style dress. Use your imagination. Remember that Chanel style dresses can be of different colors. I've lost some weight and now I have to update my wardrobe. Unfortunately, it is difficult to find clothes which you really like and which suit you in the shops. So I have to sew everything for myself. I think that it's actually an advantage. You can improve your sewing skills watching my videos. I want you to be able to sew and wear anything you want. Don't be lazy. Remember that practice makes perfect. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, buy my courses, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.